So the roots of the equation x squared minus 8x plus 2 equals 0. This whole section is about the quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus radical b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So the roots of the equation, they want the discriminant over 2a, so b squared over 4ac over 2a. This is what we want. So radical b squared is minus 8 squared minus 4, a is 1 and c is 2 over 2a, so over 2. So minus 8 squared is 64 minus 8 over 2. 64 minus 8 is 56. Don't forget the radical. 56 radical 56 over 2. So you say radical answer over 2 and you get radical 14. So k is 14. Question 2. They want the sum of the roots. The sum of there is an equation for the sum of the roots. It's minus b over a equals sum of the roots. So minus b over a minus b, and b is minus 300 over a is 6. You put it in your calculator or do it in your mind or do whatever you want. المهم you get the answer minus 300 over 6. You get 50. With this question they want the equation يعني that lists the possible values of x for the possible values of x. So here we know that we have, since we want the area of the shaded region, it's the whole area, the whole red outlined area, minus the whole shaded area, shaded by red area. So it is, to get the dimensions of the whole thing, you have an x from this side and you have an x from this side, and for the 30 you have an x from this side and you have x from this side. So it's 40 plus 2x plus 40 times 2x plus 30 that is to get the area of the whole big shape minus the area of the inside. So 40 times 30 equals, now I didn't read the question, but they said that the area of the shaded region with the gray is 800, so equals 800. So you expand the brackets, it's 4x squared plus 60x, and then you expand it from the other side, plus 80x plus 1200 minus 1200, 40 times 30 minus 800 equals 0. I move the 800 to the other side. You simplify, 4x squared plus 140x, these two cancel, for minus 800 equals 0. They want it in the form only x squared, no 4, so you divide the whole thing by 4. So x squared plus 35x minus 200 equals 0, and you get k equals 35. We check the answer and it is 35. They gave us this equation with a equals 3, and they want us to find b and c. They gave us the sum is 20 and the product is 8. First we find the value of b. We know that the sum is minus b over a. So here it is minus. We get b here, it is already negative, so we add another minus b over a is 3. the minuses cancel, and the sum is 20. Cross multiply, you get b equals 20 times 30 equals 60. So b equals 60. And then for c, the rule for the product is c over a equals the product, and the product is 8 and a is 3. You cross multiply, you get c equals 8 times 3 equals 24. The roots of the equation x squared minus 6x plus 1 equals 0 are 3 plus minus 2 radical k. We want the discriminant over 2a, so b squared minus 4ac over 2a. b is minus 6 squared minus 4ac, a is 1 and c is 1 for minus 4, over 2a, a is 1 for minus 2, radical 36 minus 4 over 2. 36 minus 4 is 32, so radical 32 over 2. You put it in your calculator, radical 32 divided by 2. You get 2 radical 2. 2 radical k. K is 2. In simplest form, the roots of x squared minus 8x plus 1 equals 0 is 4 plus radical k, plus minus radical k. What is the value of k? Again, discriminant over 2a, discriminant is minus 8 squared. I gave the rule so many times, it's b squared minus 4ac, minus 4, c is 1, a is 1, so minus 4, over 2a, a is 1, so minus 2, over 2, so 64 minus 4 over 2, you get radical 60 over 2, so you put it in your after you put it in your calculator, you should get radical 15. So k is 15. Here they give us the equation 3x squared minus 39x plus 18 equals 0. We want the sum of the roots, so minus b over a minus b is minus 39, so minus 39 over a is 3. So the minuses cancel, 39 over 3 is 13. So the sum is 13, product is c over a. C is 18, a is 3, so 6. Question 8. This is the same one as before, but here it is with options. The sum is 20, product is 8, minus b over a, so a is 3, equals to 20, the sum, cross multiply, minuses cancels, for b equals 20 times 3, for b equals 60. And then we want c, so c over a equals 8, a is 3, cross multiply, c equals 8 times 3, so c equals 24. In simplest form, the roots of x squared minus 16x plus 11 equals 0 are 8 plus minus radical k. Again, discriminant over 2a, so discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. b squared, b is minus 16 squared, minus 4ac, a is 1, and c is 11, 4 times 11, over 2a, is 1, so again, just leave it as it is. 16 squared is 256, don't forget the radical, minus 44 over 2. So you get radical 212 over 2. You put it in your calculator and you get radical 53. So k, you have it as 53. So this is all of 3.2.